Hello, viewers. Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon. Good morning, depending on where you're watching from. To my lovely subscribers, I welcome you all to my channel. So, guys, today we'll be making clove and sunflower seed. So, we are going to be mixing it with coconut oil, olive oil, and shea butter. So, that is exactly what we'll be making today. So this is my daughter's hair. So I'm going to be applying this. So this is what um my oil looks like, which I'm going to still show you guys how I got to this stage. But first of all, I'm going to apply it on her hair to show you that it really works. Like, guys, can't you see that my daughter's hair has reduced? My husband took her to the salon twice, and it was when I was not feeling fine, so they have to shorten her hair length. So I'm so pained right now. So this is my glove. We are going to start by clove. So I'm going to be pounding it, and this is my um sunflower seeds. So guys, in case I forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, subscription is free, guys. It doesn't cost anything. And for those of you who view my video without subscribing, I want to let you know that it doesn't cost anything to also get subscribed, to also get you notified anytime I post interesting video that is going to be helping your hair to grow, that you're going to be using to manage your hair. So I'm going to crush my clove. Then after that, I am going to add in my sunflower seed. So guys, make sure that you don't pound this into pieces. Like this sunflower oil, I'm going to be sunflower seed. I'm going to be crushing it. So I'm not going to be pounding it into powder. Guys, take note. Do not pound this into powder. So we are just going to be crushing it the way I'm doing it. Guys, have you ever wondered how simple natural ingredients can be turned into a nourishing hair oil? So guys, that is what we are going to be doing, the magic. Like, this oil is fire. Like, it really works. Especially clove. Clove is a very powerful herbs. So guys, today we'll be making that magic. I'm going to transfer some flour, seed and clove into as in an active growing, as in oil that is going to be helping your hair to grow. Like, don't play with this oil, guys. It really works. And so guys, do not skip this video so that you won't be missing out. If you know you really want to know what I am doing in this video, please 10 minutes is not too long, so you can exercise patience. So these two oil here, I didn't even know the one that is coconut oil again, but one thing I know, that one is coconut oil and the other one is olive oil. The color looks alike, and this is my shea butter. So I'm going to be adding in. So guys, like I said, do not skip this video at all. Do not skip it. So I'm going to be adding my active ingredients. So the herbs are the active ingredients. So I'm going to infuse it in this oil, like you are seeing right now. You see what I'm doing? So guys, hope you know what is double boiling method. So we are going to be applying double boiling method in this video. So I didn't show that part when I put my I was boiling my water. So I have to boil my water and let it, just put your water on the fire and let it boil. So I'm going to be, the plate you are seeing it like this, I'm going to place it on top of the boiling water. So I'm not going to be pouring this oil directly to the pan to boil, no. So I'm going to be putting it on top of the boiling water to double boil it. That is what I mean by double boiling. So I'm going to double boil it. So guys, going back to my explanation, sunflower and clove, They are the star ingredient in this recipe. They contains natural, especially sunflower seeds. It contains the natural oil and nutrients that can help to nourish and condition the hair. So guys, you can see the way I'm doing it. If you still want to melt your shea butter, then and add it into the mixture is fine. But for me, I didn't see any reason why I should be melting it separately, since all of it is going to enter into a heat. So this I've already double boiled my, you can see my shea butter has already melted, like you can see. So the next thing is that I'm going to sieve this. So I'm using a wee cap to sieve it. So any of the cheesecloths you trust, you can use it. For me, this have been so wonderful to me. It never fails. It never leave any particles out. So I am using this particular one to sieve my the clove and sunflower seeds. So guys, in case you are making this particular video, just do not, like some people they say I don't just want you to mix one ingredient and take another, as in just combine it the way you see me doing it. So it's going to be giving you a powerful effect on your hair. You are going to be combining the sunflower seed and the clove, which are traditionally used in hair scalp care routines. So this is going to be helping your scalp, your scalp, your hair, everything about your hair. So it's going to be helping it when you combine the two like this. Can't you see the color of my infused oil? It has really changed. So all the nutrients is now packed in the oil. Guys, I love making all these things to my daughter's hair. Like since I started doing this, I enjoy it. I enjoy it. I stopped buying store bought hair growth that I doesn't even know what they put inside it. You understand? The beauty things about making your own hair oil is that you can choose simple and effective ingredients to make them part of a consistent hair care routine. Unlike when you go to the market, you see a product, this really grows hair, and you get it, it works for you first time. The second time you get it, it doesn't work. Meaning they have reduced the ingredients or it is no longer working. So by the time you start doing this to yourself, you know what and what you do, you can always do it right for your there is no changes. So this is the most beautiful part of making your own hair care routine for yourself or for your children. So guys, look at my daughter's hair. Like people that don't know my daughter's hair should know that it used to be more it used to be more fuller and lengthy than this. So guys, when I was not around, I was sick. So they were taking my daughter to the hair salon. You know those people, they don't have patience. It's not like what you do, as in if it's you, you are going to be calming down. Like I do calm down to lose her hair. So they have to lose down her hair before washing it. You see, meanwhile, I have to mount her hair into three places uh, 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 before washing it. You see, so after washing it, they have to start dragging it with a hot comb, which they you can see the length of her hair it has reduced, and the fullness of the hair it has also reduced. But never mind, it is never a problem, since I am the one handling it. I can still, the hair is still going to be coming back to the original state again. So it is never a problem, since I know that what I'm doing is working. So I'm not shaking, guys. I am not shaking. Very soon her hair is still going to be long again. So guys, if you have not used sunflower seeds, please include it in your hair care routine. Like it works very well in combination with clove. Just combine it with the clove. Come and give me feedback This sunflower seed and clove oil is something I'm using as my daughter's hair care, part of her hair care routine to keep her hair nourished, soft, and manageable. Also healthy looking while helping with length also, as in to retain her hair length. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe guys. Subscription is free, and also let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried this recipe and if you are going to be trying it. So I love you all. To my lovely subscribers, this is the end of this video. I love you all. See you all on my next video. Bye bye.